Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huion tablet. I have Huion Kamvas 22 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to install drivers on this pen tablet. So you don't need to install drivers to pen tablet. You need to install drivers to your computer because in pen tablet we have maybe 2-in-1. So here we have two devices in one. So first device is the display and second one is the pen tablet. So to connect your pen tablet to your computer, you need to have one cable. So this is original cable, so it's connecting to your pen tablet using USB-C, and it have, as you can see, 3 other cables. So one cable is the DC in, so this is the power source. You need to connect the charger to this pin. This cable need to connect to your computer into USB 2.0. Using this cable, you connecting the pen tablet to your computer, and using this connector you can share image from your computer to this screen and use it like a screen, and you can draw on it and draw on your application, for example, and here you will have the screen. But I can't open this mode, unfortunately, because my monitor is connected to this pen tablet to my computer, and I have no free HDMI slots right now. So sorry that it's just impossible to connect it in this way. So then when you will connect, so now I use the mouse, when you will connect your tablet to your computer, wait a while, I lost the mouse, okay, it's here. So you need to download from the web browser Huion driver. So you just need to open Google Chrome or any browser and find in Google Huion download. Find download center, and here you just need to find your product. So just enter here Kamvas 22 Plus. Alright, and now just install your driver to your operation system. For example, if you use Windows, so you can download for Windows drivers. You can download drivers for Mac OS or for Linux. Okay, but of course for Deb in Deb extension, so for Ubuntu, Debian, and not for all Linux distributives, but of course in Linux you can convert it to other one. So okay, so download it for Windows and install. I have it already installed, and then when you will install, download it and reboot your PC, you will be able to open the Huion tablet application. And as you can see, it will automatically detect your pen tablet. If you have several connected simultaneously, you can change here your pen tablet to Kamvas 22. And what we have here? Here we have settings. Pen display, display pen, and we have store, but we don't need it. So, oh my gosh. So sorry, I need to close it. And cool. And now, as you can see, I can use my pen to move. As you can see, I can use my pen to move my pointer on the screen. So, for example, I wanna change one thing. Brush sensitivity. Press key. For example, what can I change it? So pressure sensitivity I can adjust. Pressure test. Okay, it's fine. And I wanna change the tapping feature, because when I tap in, it clicks on the right button. So I can change it. I can change it to the left one. So I need to check how to do it, and maybe if it's not too intuitive to do, maybe I will record video about it. So cool, that's it. So now we have connected our Kamvas 22 Plus to our computer, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.